Avengers, assemble! What is up, guys? It is Jadean, or you can call me Jay. I don't care, I'm cool either way. And welcome back to another edition into my Marvel makeup series. This is video number 3 and we are doing Captain America. If you haven't seen my About Me tag, which I will pop up on the screen for you because you should go watch it, my love for Steve Rogers, Chris Evans, is sky high. It's off the screen because you can't even see it. So yeah, I was gonna do this on the 4th of July, but then I was like, why am I celebrating that weirdo place? So we're not gonna be doing that, you know. America, you're a bit, we don't know what's going on over there. Not that England is much better. So yeah, that's the look today. It's Captain America, aka Steve Rogers, aka Chris Evans, who is Bay. So see you guys in the next clip. Starting off with that light blue shade from the Over the Rainbow palette, I'm just placing that all over the eye as a transition shade.
Ya no me importa nada, ni el día ni la hora. Si lo he perdido todo, me has dejado en las sombras. Te juro que te pienso.
Then going in with this slightly lilac-y blue, I'm placing that all over the lids as well, just building up the colour.
Si llega la noche y tú no contestas, te juro me quedo esperando tu puerta. Vivo pasando las noches.
I'm then going in with that navy blue and placing that in the outer V of both eyes.
Siente el bajo que va subiendo, tráeme el alcohol que quita el dolor. Hoy vamos a juntar la luna y el sol.
Then going in with this gorgeous shimmery blue shade, I place that on the lid and only bringing it halfway across the lid and not covering the lid completely. Then just using whatever's left on my brush just to blend it all together, make sure that it's seamless and there's no harsh lines.
No encuentro ningún modo de borrar nuestra historia.
Then going in with this bright red colour and a flat shadow brush, I'm just going to use that and drag it underneath the eye, just underneath the waterline.
Yo no te miento, todavía te espero, sabes bien que te quiero.
Then going in with this white colour precise liner from Rimmel, just adding 3 dots, which I do eventually turn the last one into a star, just to give it more of a star spangled feel to this Captain America look. You know I love a good lash. I'm going back in with my friend's company Mag's Beaut, and I'm using the lashes in Lady of Leisure. They are so gorgeous. Make sure you check my description box below to get them. I thought to myself, you know what? Stars on the face, that's what this needs. So I actually used the tip of the Rimmel liner and I dipped it into face paint just to get a bit more of a brighter white shade.
Decidiste elegir un clavel.
I'm using this grey lip liner from Pacifica just to outline a semicircle, which I am going to fill in with the navy blue from that Morphe 9S So Chill palette. This is because I am doing Captain America's shield and I didn't want to do it freehand, so I tried to kind of give myself a little bit of a base to work with. In with the same brush that I used for that shimmer on the lid and just kind of neatening up the edges as well as adding a little bit of sponge shimmer to the shield. Then I'm using the Fenty Pro concealer to outline the line, which I'm going to later on fill in with the red from that same palette, you know, because that's what's on Captain America's shield. It's blue, red and white, just like the flag.
Si llega la noche y tú no contestas, te juro me quedo esperando tu puerta. Vivo pasando las noches en vela, te sigo cantando bajo la luna llena. Súbeme radio que esta es mi canción.
Then going in with the Rimmel Colour Precise white liner to outline the white stripe on the shield.
Mi canción, siente el bajo que va subiendo, tráeme el alcohol que quita el dolor. Hoy vamos a juntar la luna y el sol, huyendo del pasado. En cada madrugada no encuentro ningún modo.
And once again back in with the red for the last and final stripe on Captain America's shield.
De aliento, solo te estoy pidiendo.
And we're using the Colour Precise liner for the last time to draw half a star because I've only drawn half the shield, so yeah, that's self-explanatory really. Then I'm using this gorgeous blush from Gucami Official, followed by L'Oreal Paris Intense Colour in Red Passion, and finishing that off with the Little Mix lip gloss in the shade Crimson Kiss, which is available at Boots, and they have so many shades and they are so cute, so highly recommend.
Vamos a juntar la luna y el sol, súbeme la radio que esta es mi canción, siente el bajo que va subiendo, tráeme el alcohol que quita el dolor. Hoy vamos a juntar la luna y el sol, súbeme la radio.
And this is the final look for Captain America. You know, he's in charge of the Avengers, he's beautiful. I don't know if I mentioned that before. He's beautiful. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment below who's your favourite Avenger and who would you like me to do next in this Marvel series. Notice it is a Marvel series, so they don't have to be an Avenger. They can be anyone from Marvel. I hope you guys enjoy, and you know the drill. If you're not subscribed, what the heck are you doing with your life? God bless and bye. But how can you not just love this man? Like, look at his little face. Couple goals. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Why can I just never get my intros in one go? That is America's ass.